Okay, so in this video I will show you an easy way that make it possible to sync the reading progress between devices and also between apps and services. So let's say that you came home from work and have listened to an audiobook in Storytel here, as you see. Storytel is a service to stream audiobooks and also ebooks. So we have listened now in this audiobook. We do a bookmark where we are in the audiobook, like so. Now we switch to the reader instead, and that will pick up exactly where you left off in the audiobook, as you see here. So now we have the exact same place. We can click here and do a bookmark there too if we prefer. So we are sure that you have bookmarked this. Now we maybe want to read this book not on the iPhone, because that is not a good experience compared to reading on an e-reader. So let's say we have the same book on a Kobo Clara in this case. It could be any Kobo device really. So let's start up this. Here we have the same book as on the iPhone, but here we have it in KOReader. On the Kobo, you can do this exactly the same with the normal Kobo interface, no difference there. So let's say we want to sync where we left off in the audiobook by typing that word. Choose a word that is a bit stranger than normal or a longer word. Let's go into KOReader now, and up here we have a search feature. Choose that, and full text search. Now I type that word. Let's use some glasses here, sorry. I type the same word as the audiobook left off, as you see. Bårhusassistenten, bårhusassistenten. I hope I typed that correctly, but we will see that immediately. Now, tap on this button to start search forward in the book, or you can type that to go back in the book when searching. So now I type forward to find that. Now it has found exact same place as you had on the iPhone in Storytel, audiobook streaming and ebook streaming app. You can find that same place in the book in KOReader on a Kobo device, as you see here. The same place. So now we can start reading from here. That is how easy it is to sync where you left off on the iPhone, in Storytel, to start reading on your Kobo. But let's say if you want to read on Onyx Boox Palma too, where you left off, for example, from the Kobo. That's quite easy because I use KOReader on both devices. But let's say you want to use Storytel instead of KOReader. So let's open the same book here in Storytel. And then the same thing here, search, and sorry, it crashed. Sometimes it does. Let's search for a word. Let's say that word. You see, it's the same place in the book. Let's click there. And now we have the same place in both books. From the Kobo to the Onyx Boox. So now I can choose to, for example, listen to this book from the place I left off from the Kobo. by just clicking there, I can start to listen to the book in Storytel from the same reading position as I had on the Kobo by just using search. Very, very easy. And in this case, it's even easier because if you read the book in KOReader on your Kobo, you can do this. You can be sure that this book has synced the reading progress by going here and progress sync. You can push from this device like so. It connects to Wi-Fi. And now it has pushed the place you are in the book. So now if we want to read on Onyx Boox Palma, you can just open KOReader. And this shows up that you can sync the position from the Kobo e-reader to your Onyx Boox Palma, the same place in the book. And if you now want to use Storytel to listen to the audiobook, for example, then you can just, instead of typing, you can actually copy some text. We can, let's say we have read like this. And then we want to copy this text like so. You mark up the text you want to copy and select copy. Then you go into another app. You can, for example, open up Kindle App or Pocketbook Reader app or Kobo app or something, and then paste that text into that from KOReader. So now I open up Storytel again and open up the book we are reading. And from here we do the search again. And from here I can paste the text I'm copied from KOReader, and here you see the same place in the book where I left off in KOReader. So now I can listen to this book from the same place if I prefer listen to audiobook by clicking there. So easy. I click here and it opens up the audiobook instead from the exact same place I left off in KOReader. Maybe you think this is very hard to do or something, but it isn't. If you do this often, you will learn how to do this easily, very easily. It's very easy. The only way when you are going from Storytel to a Kobo, you need to type the word instead. If you are from Storytel to Kobo. And that is very easy, as I show you. Just click up here and choose search, full text search, and type your word. For example, let's say I want to find that word. I know I can go back to that by going here, like so. Now I am at that place that I searched for. Very, very easy. So if I want to read this book again, now I click reading and choose read. And now I can read this book. So if I want to go back to that place, I have to search for that word here to go to that. Very, very easy. As you see here, that place. Now I am on the same page on the Kobo as in on the Onyx Boox in Storytel. Here we have KOReader in Kobo, here we have Storytel on our Onyx Boox. Very easy. And this works on the Bigme Highbreak, it works on the iPhone or an Android phone, it works on any Kobo device, it works on any Onyx Boox device with the same apps and services or between apps as I show you. Storytel in my case and KOReader, it works with the Kobo standard UI, it works with Pocketbook Reader, Kindle or whatever. You can even sync with Apple Books. If you have the same book in Apple Books, you can sync that with the Kobo running KOReader, for example. So if you want to read in Apple Books here, I have the same book there as on the Kobo. You can do this syncing and it works. So easy to sync by using search. Very, very easy. Okay, bye.